So this is the Husky 270-piece mechanics tool set, where once or twice a year it goes on sale for $99. Typically it's $200. And I picked one up mainly because everybody says they're great, and I actually needed something that's just going to fit in my toolbox in the back of the truck, and I don't want to have to dig through a bunch of things. It comes with this case already, and from what I've heard, the case is actually pretty nice that holds the tools. So I said, why not? Let's give it a try. So let me go ahead and open this thing up, show you what this thing looks like. All right, so this is what it looks like after you take off the paper wrapping. I mean, it's just got some cardboard wrapping around it. It's got this little plastic binder on it to keep it from falling apart, but let's see what it comes with. So the wrenches are all up top. They're labeled. That's pretty nice. Comes with, you know, I guess your most common sizes. 15 millimeters are largest. There's that 10 millimeter down to 8. So that's the top. Let's see, what's this? These are Husky stickers, in case you just really want some Husky stickers. Let's see, thank you for your purchase. Of course, these are lifetime warranty. So it says don't throw this away, that it's here to keep all these tools seated well. So this is the tool set on top. Again, everything is nicely labeled. Again, one of the reasons that I wanted to buy this, so I could just throw this in my truck toolbox, pull it out when I need it, and hopefully everything stays nice and organized. Right now, I've got them in little bags and little tool bags, and you know, I'm digging around searching for tools, which is fine, but I'd rather have something like this that's all organized. Again, Husky's also a lifetime warranty through Home Depot, so if you ever have anything that happens to any of this, any of the tools in the set, you just bring it in, they give you another one. Here is this drawer full of sockets. And the same thing here with the extended sockets. There's your Allen keys and so forth in the back. So it's a pretty neat little set for $100. You know, it's pretty good. Honestly, I looked even at Harbor Freight just to compare. I know they're lifetime warranties, but you have to go to Harbor Freight, and they really didn't even have a set that I thought that was this nice, even from there, for the price of 99 bucks or even 200 bucks. So honestly, it looks like price-wise, it's a pretty good price for these kits. Again, they only go on sale a couple times a year. Usually, like this one, I think this year it went from like after Black Friday all the way until after Christmas. These were sold out completely this year until after Christmas, at least in my area. And that's the reason I picked this up, is because they finally came in stock a day or two after Christmas. So I said, why not? 99 bucks. It should fit in the toolbox well, which it will, and keep everything organized. Anyways, just thought y'all might want to see what that looks like, and I definitely do recommend this kit because I do have a bunch of these Husky tools already. I've got so many ratchet sets and wrench sets, and I even have some Husky sets, and I've liked the Husky tools. The only tools I bought that are Husky brand that I haven't liked is their adjustable wrenches. They're sloppy, they don't hold well, but you know, like I showed in my other video, I've got the Craftsman. I've got 3 of them now, of the Craftsman adjustable locking wrenches, and those work great. But for all of this other stuff, I haven't had any problem with Husky tools. Who knows, I'm sure they come off the same lines as all the other brands, but the fact that you can just go into Home Depot and hand them one and get another one makes it pretty simple. All right, well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you would, subscribe to the channel. It's that red button underneath that says subscribe. It's absolutely free. And I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all take care.